Hello everyone. We're doing a quick review of this new product in the market. It's from Massdata. What they do is they sell a lot of USB products, and this is one of their universal iFlash products. So basically, it's a very small, as you can see. It's half of my finger, and it has the 32 gig memory inside. One of the ends has an iPhone connector. It's the Lightning connector, and the other end you have to kind of slide it out, and it has a USB connection. You can also sort of pop open this USB, and you can connect it to any Android device if you feel like it. So yeah, it works on almost all devices, right? So you can work, you can put files from the computer in here. This package, it comes with the QR scan. That little tag, if you have a QR reader on your phone, you just point to it, and it will take you to the download screen for the app that this drive needs. So I have a QR app on my phone here. I just go there and sort of just scan. It takes me right to the download screen for this app, which is this one. Okay, so I've already have it downloaded. If you just tap there, it starts to download. Okay, and it will say SSL-PIM would like to install SKH disk. And you'll say, I hope you guys can see it. Just say install. Okay, so once you have this downloaded after that QR read, you can just press on it, and sometimes you'll see this message, if you can see it, that says untrusted enterprise developer, and you have to cancel out of it. So if you have that problem with the trust, you just go to settings, okay, and then you go to general, then you go down to profile, and you will see this app right there, and you just say okay, trust, right there. Okay, this is on iOS 9.1. You might have just a simpler screen like this which says trust or cancel. Just say trust. So once you trust the app, it will start working, which is right here, right? And I press on that, and that is how it looks, right? Okay, so one side of the app has the phone, and the other has the external storage. Right now I don't have anything connected externally, so this one shows kind of not applicable, or NA. So I'll take my Massdata 32 gig flash drive, and I'll insert it just like that. Okay, it does have a red flicker, okay, which showing it's connected. I do have some existing files on there, that's why it says 94%. So, and so this white rim is basically the empty space, and the grayed out rim is the filled space. So on your phone, I only have 6.9% empty space, which is that little white marker right there. And on the flash drive, I have almost the entire thing empty, except a few, maybe I have a few pictures in here. I do use this quite a bit. So I will, the way it works is you have to transfer your files into this application, and then transfer it out to your external drive. So if you, let's say, want to transfer some photos over to this drive, and this you just have to transfer from your photo, right? So edit, select. You don't have anything to select because the app hasn't transferred anything into it yet. You're going to say import from album. Okay, import from album right there. So you do import camera roll. What I'm going to do is get a quick of this two pictures right there. Okay, I'm going to say export, which is on the top right here. Okay, once I do that, it's done. I just go back, I say done, and now I see those two pictures inside this application. So let's say if I want to move this over to the external drive, I just do it, edit, select, you take those pictures and you can say move or copy or delete, right? So I'm just gonna move this to things out of my phone. So I'll just say move photo to iPhone or external, and then you just choose, let's say if it's a photo, you just move it to photos, right? So move this, and that's all it is. It just took those two pictures out of the application and put it into my drive. Alright, now I just go back and let's say if I wanted to just clear out my photos, I can just take those two photos and just delete them from my phone because it's already in my external drive. This also works over video as well, same procedure. Okay. Let's say you wanted to play something from the external drive, right? So on the iPhone, in the application, I haven't transferred anything, so it shows empty, but you could. I mean, I don't really play off of this application, but if I was to play from the flash, which is this device, I'm going to play from this application. It shows up in this Chinese character for some reason on my phone, but it might not at yours. So I'll just click that and it will start playing. Alright, so that's the video. Alright, it's coming right off of this drive. I don't have this video in my phone. You'll see this flicker sometimes while this movie is playing. So it's really useful for like kids on their iPad when they have a lot of videos they like to watch, especially when they're on the road and you don't have any means to get this video onto this iPad without iTunes or some other means that's not very convenient. So if you just carry one of these with all your media files, right, and whenever they need it, you pop it in, you start up that application and you start watching or listening. Okay. It also has contact backups. You can just do, let's say if you wanted to back up your contacts, you can just do a quick backup right there. So in case you lose your phone or something like that, you don't need to worry about your contacts. Okay, you just do a backup and it will save all your contacts into that card. Okay, and you can also do a recovery from that backup on your new phone. That's pretty much all it is. I mean, you can right now I have a few files. I just imported these two photos. I have a video here, right, and I have some music which I can play off of this drive as well, right. So let's say if I wanted to play something, it works just fine. Okay. I'm clumsy. and this is playing right from the flash drive itself. Okay, this is not on my phone. Okay, so I can, it's fairly convenient. I found it very useful, so I hope you do as well. This is called the Massdata. It's available on Amazon, and the store name is Massdata. It's a fairly good product for the price range, and I enjoy it, and I hope you do as well. Have a good one.